hindi natin pwede sabihin na walang operational lapse kasi may namatay na 44. Tama yung mission, tama yung pagbigay ng go signal doon sa mission kasi namatay naman yung global terrorist na si Marwan. So, assuming the President gave the go signal, tama yung binigay niyang go signal kasi nakuha napatay si Marwan. So, in my opinion, that absolves the President of any liability as far as this operation is concerned. Hindi natin alam pa definitively kung ano talaga naging role ni General Purisima. I don't see anything wrong per se kung nagkokonsulta si General Napeñas sa kanya at being an upper classman at still PNP chief, suspended man, pwede siyang magkonsulta. Okay? Taking into consideration the fact that it was General Purisima and General Napeñas who started this project. So walang problema doon. But if he is taking orders from General Purisima, doon may problema.
So lumilitaw sir, talagang si General Napeñas yung may matinding liability rito?
Siya yung operational commander eh. Wala nang, hindi mo na pwedeng magturo ka sa iba kung bakit. Dahil it was his call not to coordinate early with the AFP, kaya nung nahihirapan mag-reinforce, yun ang dahilan.
Sir,
diba?
the buck stops with him.
Yes.